This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the Cupcake train card. Now I've already done the gingerbread train, and then there's a car that goes with it. The files will be sold separately, but I think I'll do one listing with the train and the train cars together in case you want the set. The train is a 5x7. The train cars are an A2 so that they are proportionately sized for the train car, for the train. So this is a very simple card. You'll notice, like this, if you've bought this from the Silhouette store, it looks like the cupcake is wrong, but it isn't, because of the way that they have us layer the files. And if this piece is layered like this is actually the back. So when you fold it in, this piece has to be reversed. Okay, so don't reverse that, because this is the correct layout for the piece to work for you. And as I was looking at that, I noticed that that's all the same color, my cupcake bottom. So I need to, I need to ink that a little bit so that it stands out. I'll find my ink pad here. I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm going to hit these edges. I'm just going to hit these edges here with the brown. I like to do that over my trash can because my ink pad's kind of shed. And then it gets ink all over. So just a little, just so that that stands out, because it is the same color. Okay, so now let's start here. Here's our trim for the front of the train car. And these are such quick and easy cards. You know, you can make several of these and get them done pretty quickly. And they're simpler, so you could work on them with your children if you wanted. So then we're going to flip it over, like I was saying, to work on the inside. So just make sure whatever side you glue this on, you know, this is the opposite side. Let's put our cupcake together. It's supposed to look striped, but it kind of looks like there's a bit of like Cool Whip or something on the top, but that's okay. It's still cute. And then it has a little gumdrop. Oops. And we're just going to glue this right to the front here. And I think I want to pop this up, give this just a little more dimension. I don't know if you can hear my cat. She's got her toy, she goes up to the top of the steps and she drops her toy through and pops down and retrieves it. That's the ruckus in the background. Okay, so then our wheels, we're just going to glue these candy pieces together. And then when we glue them onto the train car, you just want to, I use my thumb just to make sure it doesn't go over the edge. So you just want to make sure it's not going over the edge. And I'm putting my wheels on top of the frosting. It does go down just a little there, so you want to watch that. Now the cat is trying to beat the toy to the ground, so she's making quite a bit of racket. Okay, so there's that. So this is the train car so far. Then I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to touch just barely the edges here. Because when you have the same color on the same color, it's nice to have a little bit of definition. It helps it pop a little bit more. And you just want to center this here on the white because that is your frosting trim. I'm going to glue my ribbon down. And I think I just want to just kind of pinch this a little and just give it a little bit of dimension. And I'm going to use foam tape for him. Fold the tabs for the insert. You're going to stand this up. We're going to have the tabs out flat. Put glue on the side that you're gluing on. We're just going to lay this right across the back and fold the card over. We're gluing it right here on this side. Now because I've put some foam tape here, I just need to make sure my card is lined up straight across the bottom. This here is the other side that we're going to glue this to. So we're just going to put some glue here. We're going to bring this over. And again, making sure that we are lined up because of the foam tape. And glue it to the side. And then you do want to fold it both ways just to train your paper. Open it up and add some glue here to this tab. And we're going to close our card. Again, folding it both ways. And then there is our cupcake train card, which looks really cute with the train. Thank you for joining me.